Guys, so we are back again today for a live session to show you the procedure of lip fillers. Hi, Dr. Adarsh, say hi.
Hello guys.
Hi. So what exactly are you doing today?
So today we are doing lip fillers in this patient. So we are using Restylane Kais that is specifically meant for lips. So the finishing and plump which we'll achieve from Kais is amazing and the best. So here in this particular patient there is shortening of upper lip as you can see, and there is not the there is the difference in between both the cupid bows, and the one side of lip is curvaceous and one is going straight forward. So we just have to fill the lower part of upper lip and the cupid bow area, and have to make right side of the lip bit curvaceous, and in lower lip we are just finishing and making it sharper, and margins should be in complete alignment and complete morphology.
Okay, so Dr. Adarsh, there are a few questions just before you start. Can you give us 2 minutes? So I want to ask you a few things about lip fillers, which are one of the most frequently asked questions. That first is, are there any side effects of these fillers?
No, these are basically hyaluronic acid based fillers. So this is a natural synthesizing substance from our body. So they are completely harmless, and there are no side effects of these fillers. Although few patients, 1 in 1 lakh, can be allergic, to this hyaluronic acid. So there is the reversal of hyaluronidase enzyme. So from that injection we can revert it back. But in other form of fillers like calcium hydroxide, hydroxyapatite fillers, there is no reversal process.
Okay, and how long do the fillers last? As you also know, and I think I have had a consultation with at least 100 patients in last 15 days who have gotten fillers before from some place, and who tell us that they have this misconception that the fillers last only for 2 months.
No, basically it depends upon the quality of filler which we are using. So right now what I am using is Restylane Kais. So the longevity of this filler in lips is about 12 months, 9 to 12 months, but generally it is 12 months depending upon case to case individuality. For other fillers maybe they can last for 2 months, 3 months. So it is totally dependent upon the substance product which you are using. And in lips area, because of the perioral musculature movement, the longevity of filler is get reduced, but in other body parts like nose or chin, jawline, the longevity is comparatively higher.
I'm sorry guys, maybe because of the mask the things might not be very clear, but don't worry, we'll be putting a YouTube video about the FAQs, and I will also be putting a story. So obviously the doctor cannot take off his mask. And one very quick question, Dr. Adarsh, before we start shooting the procedure, you can see the before after results will be posted by tomorrow on Dr. Adarsh's feed. So is it painful?
No, although there is anesthesia already mixed in this filler, and we numb the area with Priloquine. So the process is not painful at all.
Okay. So okay guys, that's all for today. I'm sorry, it's just a 10 minutes procedure, and I need to shoot also to show you the before after results. So we will be back. If you guys are interested in knowing more questions about and more FAQs about fillers, please drop us a DM and we will be happy to make a post or a video about it. That's all for now, and I'll be posting the results soon. Bye bye.
Okay.
Dr. Adarsh, say bye.
Bye guys.